how did we talk about the Supreme Court? We started off this lesson with asking our students about judge shows on TV. And so everybody started talking about Judge Judy and the whole list of things. We had 2 students go plan a typical thing that might appear on a TV judge show, like a conflict, oh, the ex-husband didn't pay for bloody blah, or... So 2 students went off and did that. The rest of the class selected who was going to be the judge. And this was sort of our introduction into thinking about a more abstract and bigger topic like the Supreme Court. So we did it. We had so much fun. The class had to vote with the judge on which side had actually won. And then that led us into really talking about giving them some information about the Supreme Court and the kinds of cases. But then we went, the instructors went and found 4 relevant cases that we thought would have meaning for our group of students. So one example of that was there was a case in New Jersey where a high school student was being accused of smoking in the bathroom. And then she was removed into the principal's office, and the assistant principal went and searched her bag and found illegal drugs and things like that. And so it eventually went to the Supreme Court because, you know, was this reasonable search and seizure? So we knew the students would be totally into that. So a group of students were on a team, had that case, another group had a different case, and they had to really read about the particular case, go over it with the instructor, make sure they understood what the issues were that brought it to the Supreme Court. And then students that were not part of the team became the 9 justices. And they had to present to the Supreme Court, you know, one side, why was this legal search and seizure and why wasn't it? And then the 9 judges went and came in and presented their finding. And then we read them the actual decision of the case. So why was this contextual teaching and learning? We started with their lives, something that had meaning, something fun and lighthearted, like a TV judge show. And we gave them the power and the experience of what it felt like to be a presenter or the witness in this case or the other side. And then they had to make arguments and actually go through a thinking process like the judges on the Supreme Court would do.